Hi everyone, today we are making the soap that you see on the thumbnail. I have prepared my oil. In my previous video I have shown you guys how you can measure your oil. If you haven't watched that video, I will put it on the description box below so that you can watch that video, and you can also watch my beginner friendly video that I first post on my YouTube channel. And I've also prepared my lye. When you're preparing your lye, make sure you prepare your lye first before you start measuring your oil, so that your lye can be cooling down. And for this soap making, I am going to be adding colors. I have my pink colors right here, which I mix with oil, and I also have my orange color right here, which I mix with oil. I have my titanium dioxide. I mix my titanium dioxide with distilled water, and I have this golden brown color right here. I'm going to be using this color too. I have also measured my essential oil. I am using grapefruit essential oil, so I'm measuring it on this container. I just lock it. These are the colors that I'm going to use to make the soap. So first thing that you have to do, you are going to take your temperature to check the oil, and also do the same thing with the lye. The next thing that I'm about to do, I will take my filter. This is my filter. I'm going to filter my lye inside the oil, and then we start mixing. Before you do that, make sure you have your goggles on, your face mask. Make sure to protect yourself. So what I'm going to do, I am going to start to filter my lye and start mixing the soap. So I will just tap it to remove the air bubbles and start mixing. You can see a little bit of trace. What I'm going to do, I am going to divide the oil into pieces and pour it inside a different bowl or cup. I have divided the oil. So first thing that I'm going to do, I am going to start putting my colors on the oil. So I will put the pink color right here, and I'm going to mix that right now. So I'm going to put that aside, and I will pick this one. I'm going to add my golden color. I will add my fragrant oil. I will put it aside, and I'm going to mix the rest to soap. And this is my colored. I'm going to add the colored inside right now. And I will take a little bit of titanium dioxide and add it on it. And I will add titanium dioxide on the smaller cup. And I will first mix the small cup. I will add my fragrant oil. And I will also add fragrant oil on this one, and I will add the rest on the pink color. Because the fragrant oil is kind of orange, and it should change the color of the titanium dioxide a little bit. So this is my mold. I'm going to pour this golden color inside my mold right here. And I will put it aside. So what I'm going to do, I am going to pour it inside like this. And I will repeat the same process with this one. And I will take my spatula to kind of give it a mix. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my chopstick and create a design. So this is how it is once I have make a design. You don't need so much fancy design. I believe this is very beautiful, and I hope you watch the video. It doesn't really matter. You can use a spoon, you can use a fork to create a design. So what I'm going to do, I will take my soap cover it for 24 hours, and then we'll come back here and unmold the soap together. It has been 24 hours, so we are going to unmold our soap right now. This is how it looks inside. So I'm going to pull the soap out. So this is my soap cutter. I put a paper inside so that it's easy to slice in and out. So this is my other soap cutter. I'm going to cut the soap into pieces. So I'll pick it like this and start cutting the soap. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching our video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below if you have any question. If my tutorial is helpful, thumbs up on our video. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for watching our video. And please continue subscribing. Subscription is free. And you all should have a wonderful day. Bye for now.